This video will demonstrate how to load feeders 1 and 2. First, pull the lever to release the side guides. Next, place a stack of documents between the side guides. Then adjust the side guides as needed using the wheel on the right. You may need to remove some documents if it is too full. Tap the top and sides of the document stack to ensure they fit evenly in the side guides. Repeat the same steps for feeder 2. Then adjust the side guides as needed using the wheel and return the lever to its original position.